mama part okokọ sere sabe Gyemfi sika Sammy Gyemfi ma na bie eno aba beye ensem bebre ama Sammy Gyemfi de krata tintintintin de aba monten so se opa Ghanafo nyina echo nia oye no se ubi ufi se otia wonan so a jai na enka eye chopa eno de ba on de na ko wonu se oye papa na onim se ebekwa ko wie de sei enti Sammy Gyemfi asmo kan so say I am sorry for the unfortunate act of indiscretion. Sammy Gyemfi on cash gift to Agradaa. Also, the acting chief executive or the chief executive officer of the Ghana Gold Board, and now do one of the Gold Board and now Atama for Ekano. Sammy Gyemfi has addressed a wave of public criticism following his Miss Remo Mumfancha Mekakra. Na course idiot. But ninya muno ata maame mfan for you know the story. Sammy Gyemfi say opacho. Enja bibia maninka.
Senior man. Sammy Gyemfi won. Ghana ka o cha de a anka nsheda nye problem. But na maka no anka me nsha ase and criticize the NDC. Maka and I still maintain that. But the way I mu see yemu omo yo omo niema no Uber radio you have no a user over criticize o because nka obi che obi ade a ka nye bone but omo ankasa ene ye bi omo ye no na ma ye criticize o ade na me kasa me ne kasa yi o se COVID-19 ye fa ho kra bokro no na ode hot meal nipa mienu ana enu aduane a stop back. Yes, that is your job.
And me ka say rebate. What's the rebate?
Me say me refuse. Me try, but because of this thing I me dey shame. Say nipa mienu enu aduane back. As a headmaster and I say we in charge of school. You also have a role to play because you could you have to sign. And so you did a very job and I must congratulate you.
Okay, thank you.
For that. By what must say.
Okay.
But the truth of the matter is say so if there is anything on Molutua, you have every case to prosecute them. Me support to be aware DB. You got it. So if you are in government now, you can't do propaganda with it. Prosecute. What did the mutala my classmate OKayFM Minister for Science? Or see COVID-19 idiot. Ene bebubu Ghana economy no kojo. But mu opposition no ne ya ka kire ma say yeboa. Enti minua mu wa ban mu. Die mu fi se mu ye beye no. Munye. On Sammy Gyemfi. Aba e de botechi no ban so gene de. Minua kayazo. Last week yawo. Ena President Mahama ebe launch code of conduct.
Correct.
A man appointees. Sure. Meboa. Or say, woji gift achade nebo eyebe 200 million 20,000 as I say what the ba castle Jubilee House na yelum I don't know.
That's all kind of
but the same code of conduct no one can say we a public official also ukocha dia and then say Bruce say you and you are quiet. It means the code of conduct na some one.
Meet you.
Who tell me pa?
Meet you pa.
Who the 20,000 ya fabra me go him. Now the ultimate day. Sika call out a Bruce 20,000.
How were you able to establish?
Oh, I didn't dare call rounds no say $10,000 so.
Na sika no why ne hu ye.
Oh, sika no me hu bi o
$10,000.
Yes, that is what is going around. Into mo kan no mo figure. Sammy Gyemfi so nya yi.
Oh, that.
Me boss mpacho me wi am from wa me so. But Sammy Gyemfi so no nya brewa bayira brewa jo.
Oh, but $10,000.
But who dey tie?
Because Sammy counted. And sika say even say $100 cry.
Me nya kwazi. Yeah?
Yes.
Apology now or the aban unhe ni ye.
Me too.
Me am critical on reading.
Okay.
T. Me read the full statement. No?
Yes.
And yet say will be reported. Or see folks. Tie brofun ye pa o.
Me too.
Folks, I have taken notice of the wave of criticisms against my person.
Yeah, sure.
In the last 24 hours. folks. To clarify, this was simply a kind gesture.
Yes.
To a fellow human being.
Sure.
In line with my daily and lifelong custom of lending a helping hand to the people in need. To the people in need.
Sure.
Very good. 10 years pa. Now me bisa say agradaa. Oyobi a hiano.
She asked for. The woman asked.
Until he was in need.
Yes, she was.
I sincerely thought I was doing this act of kindness in private, and never imagined that same could find its way into the public space.
Okay.
That is unfortunate.
But I know Oka said that he was doing that in private. But I know Ghana has nothing to do with privacy.
Maybe I must say that I understand the uproar that this gesture has generated, particularly from comrades. Particularly from comrades.
Sure.
From comrades who are sincerely hurt by saying, it means he's addressing folks. Or addressing womu. That is my English, Abrabra primary school English.
Correct.
The teacher concentrated me.
Correct.
Or concentrating on comrades. And which people are there from comrades in Ghana? And you're in this for the socialist group. Sure. So he wasn't apologizing to Ghanaians. One Ghana for chow. Was in crop for Opa Mochow. Intinya Ghana for no pa echewu. Sa 2 words when an ampes or tia say, and yet Ghana for no pa Mochow. But not Opa on one crop for. Until you use the word folks and come. No, or says qualifying or say particularly comrades. It's in Ghana for no pa Mochow. Ghana for the new Obia ni chapa because on your bonnet. It may be said, what has happened to the code of conduct now, around Mahama, a launching last week? This is a test case because also be about flouting that code of conduct. No, obey it as a matter of agency. As I say, a call strike. Any yoko say Ghana, your legal tender, sika ye die, your friend is CD. A ye day na nikamu, no wa packet dollars. Ah, ode chiche. 4 months into administration. Sammy Gyemfi ni no Ghana how and I no.
Meet you.
Unso we law school.
Meet you.
Onye adwuma bi ado.
Meet you.
And even no nya dollars no. Ya jere ho akwachiri.
Oh, but Sammy was no communication head.
MNDC. Enye payment to you ntiaka. General secretary nkwani ntiaka.
Enye NDC. Estin Kubik. Yes.
That's what I'm anya adwuma.
Omo anya adwuma. No.
Yeah, then no nya sa dollars.
And now also this NDC one, former mayor of Kumasi or the
Enti Jamaica ne say.
No any personal assistant.
Yeah, share baby onya dollars ni.
Okay.
Because Cecilia Dapa, I will link it. Unu ne mame. In 1983 na Cecilia Dapa ne mame. Eye the queen mother of all the market women in Ashanti region. In 1976, Cecilia Dapa ni kunu. Who were young masters in architecture. So what's wrong crying?
Meet you.
Silver Star, Dino.
Yes, sure.
One Chinese ambassador. Sure. Omo Dino. When you back design here, Cecilia Dapa. What's the man is into cosmetics? A man kunya distress any member perfume. A bonnet bra quachri. You call dollars when you demand this for CNT bida. Sammy Gyemfi the eba idea. Ya 2 year. Sir, I say you know sika. That is the commentary and these people are running.
Quantum of amount and also count too.
Now quantum no media. Some of them receive 10,000 a month. What is saying? $10,000.
But the highest denomination, no. 100.
And you know correct. Your 500 denomination of dollar.
And the almost a $500 kind.
Medium was all kind dollars. Dollars no all kind. Saka all kind see the body are coming mini problem. All kind dollars.
Atamafu.
That is it. Dollars no all kind sir. Na utie tape na my man say Sammy na what time ni na crowd ma me na here dey. I heard it. What must say? And all kind it ni kam kura na $10,000 and above egumu no. Huh?
I know you hu ye no.
There been saying here, assembly.
Oh yes, I dance here ni ho.
Assembly dance here ni ho no. Wetimi twa bi dia dance here.
No.
It's all kinds of okuja to so. What the $25,000 is egu ni kam.
Yes.
All the kobonsuo ma esi bonsuo boys. Master, these young men have the taste for money.
But I say you also have taste for money.
Oh, that's the master now funny. If you come in here by you can say was green. Come in say come here say come in your kokusha bu na ya Monday ya ban come ba $1 there. She say how much $1 for 4 months into administration. And government appointee $8 e wa bontin. Na ya grada ni amani dollars yi. Na so fu ba ko no so e be ma ne say.
First you
got it.
Agyapong.
Media Mr. Me ending. This is a big test case for President Mahama administration.
And
he should crack the whip. As a matter of agency, as I said, or suspend Sammy Gyemfi. Nearly ordinary mashraj. Say if he mean business of fighting corruption in the system, as I said, oh yeah.
Okay.
So wanya ha NDC.
Thank you.
Because the people of Ghana be who say, nkofo ba no ma ya say we cash.
But say sa na wo hwehwe.
Sa na. Me na me we say omo we cash na be affect the economy no. Hwe sika na omo ngo Facebook. Liberty di atuo e na wo kan sa na ma me no di ama na okọ e na kuta emru wan bondo kwasi emru wan bondo say bro e na owusu ni say 500 $10,000 kresa $10,000 what dey ache $10,000 what the bag Ghana mu awuni mi bo we say na say 13 ayi
the 1.3 billion
1.3 trillion na okan ho asem no
What?
me that
what the quarter dan mu a
1.2 or the quarter that.
what the quarter dan trillion
we answer now the quarter that.
Almost cash no. Send me na kokushabu. So tiamia. Koku cash no go for me no.
Thank you. Opon.
Kasu.
Yes sir.